Hi there, students. Fathom. A fathom as a noun, or to fathom as a verb. A fathom is a unit of length, 6 feet, about 1.8 meters. Normally they use fathoms to measure the depth of water, particularly the sea. So the sea here is about 20 fathoms deep. Yeah? The depth of water. And then to fathom, to measure the depth of a piece of water. Normally using a plumb line, a line that goes down. But then we use this verb to fathom figuratively, meaning to understand, to comprehend, to get to the bottom of, to penetrate the nature of something. I can't fathom what he means. I don't understand him. I can't fathom a word he says. He's incomprehensible. Can you fathom his motivation for doing this? I finally managed to fathom the meaning of this poem. Notice it's very common to use to fathom in the negative. I can't fathom. I can't fathom this. I can't fathom Shakespeare in the original English. It's very difficult to fathom her out. To fathom, to understand, to figure out, to work out, to puzzle out. So notice you can use out with fathom. You don't have to use it. The out adds emphasis. Can you fathom this out? I can't fathom out what they're trying to say. Okay, so the out is optional, but it's adding emphasis. I can't fathom out the instructions on how to put together this piece of flat pack furniture. It's very difficult to fathom out what he's saying. So notice as well, to fathom is a regular verb. He fathomed what I had said. He has fathomed many complex matters in the past. I'd probably give this verb or the noun something like a 6 in formality. I guess you could use it in an informal conversation, but understand is the easy informal way. Use it semi-formally and formally as well. The origin goes, I think, way back. I think there's a Proto-Indo-European word. There's a Proto-Germanic word meaning to embrace. There's an Old English word, fathom, meaning to embrace, to encircle with your arms. Let's see, with this word fathom, we also have fathomless, no bottom. They are spending money as if we had a fathomless budget. Yeah, no bottom, no bottom at all, impossible to fathom. And then unfathomable, incomprehensible. Sometimes the reasons for English spelling are completely unfathomable. Okay, so to fathom, 6 feet used for depth, to measure the depth of a piece of water, and then to understand, to work out, to comprehend the nature of. Okay, so I hope this explanation will help you fathom the meaning of fathom. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Fathom.